Hello, my name is Dr. Kristen Morrison, and I just wanted to introduce myself a little bit so you can get a feel for me, both in terms of my style as a therapist and also just as a person. I think it's so important that you feel really comfortable with whoever your therapist is going to be, and I think probably one of the most essential factors early on when you're looking for somebody is to find that person who's a good fit, not just in terms of their approach or their style therapeutically, but also just personality. Is this somebody that I seem to click with? So I think it's important that you just get a feel a little bit for who I am, what I'm like. I tend to do a lot of things that are sort of skill-based or building tools to be able to respond to thoughts and emotions differently. I also like to share some concepts and ideas that really can help you learn to relate in an entirely different way to struggles and to difficult emotions and things like that. Also strategies for improving relationships. I also tend to be really practical. I really want to focus on doing what's effective, what's working, and that's one of the things that I love so much about being able to track our work together, is that we can really hone in on what has been the most effective for you and making sure that we're doing more of the same and continuing on that path of getting you where you want to go. I realize that therapy is a huge investment on so many different levels, and really my goal for you as a therapist is to make sure that at the end of your treatment you would reflect back and say, yeah, this was a lot of work, it was a lot of investment, but it was absolutely worth everything that I put into it.